Imagine having access to detailed step-by-step makeup tutorials tailored to your unique features. I'm Joe, and today I'll be sharing with you our groundbreaking YouCam tutorial solution. Welcome to the Perfect Corp YouTube channel. If you wish to stay up to date with the latest beauty and fashion tech solutions powered by AI and AR technology, subscribe and enable all the notifications. Beauty brands work so hard to create amazing products, so it's only natural that they want to make sure their customers are getting the most out of them. Traditionally, brands were very constrained when it came to connecting with customers and educating them on how to best use their products, especially if they wanted to provide an experience that was friendly and personal. Brands would have to deploy beauty advisors or makeup artists to pop-up stores and spend time applying makeup and chatting with interested customers, a process that is expensive, time-consuming, and ultimately only reaches a tiny number of shoppers. The YouCam tutorial solution allows brands to connect with all their customers by providing step-by-step application guides that are specifically tailored to users' unique facial features. The instructions are then overlaid directly onto the customer's face using powerful AR technology. Creating the looks is super easy. By using a fully customizable face chart, a tool familiar to any makeup artist, brands are able to create dedicated looks for all their customers, tailored to their unique face shape, eye shape, lip shape, or skin tone. Brands are then able to select from their very own products to begin creating the look. The tool currently supports step-by-step tutorials for eyeshadow, eyeliner, and blush, with more options coming soon. The technology gives the brand's makeup artists full creative freedom, offering a range of colors and brush options with fully adjustable thickness and opacity. Using the Apple Pencil is simple and intuitive. Every brushstroke is measured and recorded and will be played back to the end user, showing the exact steps to achieve this perfect makeup look. On the consumer side, the brushstrokes from the look we just created are overlaid right onto the live image of the user's face.
Eyeshadow. Apply the color 2 on the eyelid with the crease brush,
giving step-by-step instructions of how any beauty shopper can use a brand's products in the best way for their unique facial features and characteristics. With the tutorial being overlaid directly onto the user's face, there's no room for confusion, increasing customer confidence and excitement. The technology allows brands to connect with their customers virtually in a never-seen-before way that is not only personal but also scalable and sustainable. The interface then links directly to the brand's online store, where newly educated beauty shoppers can purchase all the products with just one click. With so many products on the market and makeup applications becoming more and more of an art form, this innovative technology provides a major step up from reading articles or watching videos online for consumers looking to learn more about makeup application and how to get the most out of their products. The Perfect console makes uploading the looks quick and easy. The colors can even be edited and customized, and the whole look can be previewed on models or virtually tried on instantly. Brands are also given the option to record step-by-step voiceover instructions.
Apply color 3 all around eye and on lid with an all-over shadow brush
That can be used to guide the end user through the entire makeup application experience. This part of the process is made easy too, with options to record and re-record the entire voiceover or just specific sections. We're also further developing the technology to support brand brushes and applicators. This way, customers will be able to see firsthand how different branded brushes generate different results. To try this technology out for yourself for free, visit the link in the description, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest beauty and fashion tech innovations.